you're among the 1.5 million Australians who snore, then this is for you. Researchers in Melbourne have invented the BuzzPOD, which vibrates when a snorer is on their back.
Tonight on the New Inventors, how to get better at sleeping. So then you put it on, then I can go to sleep.
That's correct.
Lovely. There we go. Push my little music on. Oh. So this is good sleeping, right? Because I'm on the side. But when I roll over... Oh, bloody hell. It's like being tickled by a possum, isn't it? And then you go over again and it stops. And then we go...